A lonely mother gazing out of a window, staring at a son that she just can't touch. If at any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. And so he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the gutter. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Little Precious has a natural obsession for temptation, but he just can't see. She gives him loving that his body they handle, but all he can say is, baby, it's good to me. One day he goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face. His health is fading and he doesn't know why. 3 letters took him to his final resting place. Y'all don't hear me? Don't go chasing waterfalls. They just stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace of not one God-given ray. It's beautiful because my life is 10 shades of gray. I pray all tend to fade away, seldom praise him for the sunny days. And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to a new clear blue and unconditional skies have dried the tears from my eyes. No more lonely cries. My only bleeding hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps him within the pouring rain. Who's to blame for tearing his cane in your own vein? What a shame you shoot him and aim for someone else's brain. You claim the insane and name the day and the tame for falling to create a crime. I can say the system got you victim to your mind. Dreams are hopeless, aspirations and hopes are coming true. Believing in yourself, the rest is up to you. Chasing waterfalls, please stick to your river